In today's video, we are going to show you how to cancel your subscription in iLovePDF. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then on the top right corner, I want you to click your profile icon and then go to the account settings. Now, locate the subscription or billing section within your account, which is going to be this one. You will find information about your current premium plan. All I have to do now is open the subscription section to view your active premium membership details. Now scroll down and click cancel subscription and follow the on-screen prompt to confirm your cancellation request. Once you've confirmed the cancellation, look for a confirmation email to make sure your subscription won't renew. Remember, after the cancellation, your subscription will stop renewing automatically and you can continue using premium features until your current billing period ends. Your account remains active and can be upgraded again later if needed. Canceling does not usually provide a refund for the remaining time on your plan. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to cancel your iLovePDF subscription. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.